When you're living in a small space, every inch counts, and finding appliances that fit can be a real challenge. That's where the Danby DDW621WDB Countertop Dishwasher comes into play. Not only does it boast a compact design that makes it perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or even RVs, but it also offers a host of features that make dishwashing convenient and efficient. Starting with its installation, the Danby DDW621WDB couldn't be simpler to set up. It features a quick connect system that is compatible with most kitchen faucets, eliminating the need for direct plumbing or permanent installation. This is a great feature for renters or anyone who might move frequently. Despite its small size, the dishwasher packs quite a punch when it comes to capacity. It can hold up to 6 place settings and includes a silverware basket. The interior is made from durable stainless steel, which not only looks sleek but is also built to last. One of the standout features of this dishwasher is its energy efficiency. It is Energy Star compliant and uses only up to 3.1 gallons of water per wash. This is particularly impressive and important for anyone looking to reduce their environmental impact while also saving on utility bills. The operation of the Danby DDW621WDB is exceptionally quiet at just 52 decibels, quieter than a normal conversation. This makes it ideal for use in open-plan living spaces or households where noise can be a disturbance. When it comes to washing cycles, the dishwasher offers 6 different options, including intensive, normal, economy, rapid, glass, and soak. This variety allows you to choose the most appropriate setting depending on your load, whether it's heavily soiled pots and pans or just lightly used glasses. An additional convenience is the delay start feature, which allows you to schedule your washing for a later time, up to 8 hours in advance. This is perfect for running the dishwasher during off-peak energy times or simply for having clean dishes ready exactly when you need them. In conclusion, the Danby DDW621WDB Countertop Dishwasher is an excellent. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.